This session was engaging, high energy. I would recommend this for any organisation. I am Rachel Ward, I'm the Acting Children's Guardian for New South Wales. Our team just attended the Get the Monkeys Off Your Back experience. We found the session highly engaging, full of energy, and I have no doubt the team walked out feeling like they'd achieved something this morning. What I took from the session today was to encourage my team and myself to take that moment to rest, recover and recharge myself, because if I'm not bringing my best self to work, then I'm not going to deliver the results that I need to do. But what I did observe in the team listening today was that maybe some people don't feel brave enough to do that. They feel like they have to keep on the sprint and keep working towards what they see the end goal to be, but forget the very purpose as to why they're there. So as a leader, from listening today, I hope to be able to lead by example and actually slow down myself to encourage my team to be able to do the same thing. To take the moment and the time to have some self-care, and remember to try and put yourself first. Set up some boundaries. If you're expecting just another talk, then don't do this session. This session was engaging, high energy, and you couldn't hide really anywhere in the room, but the positive engagement from everybody actually allowed people to learn and listen to each other and probably realise that their own thoughts and their own feelings are shared amongst the whole team and aren't just singular. And Daniel gave a really safe place for people to be able to explain that. I would recommend this session for any organisation. It doesn't matter what level, what responsibilities you have. I have no doubt that everybody today took something away from the session for themselves personally, but then also what they can bring back to the teams that they work within.